magkaka-wrinkle ka pa rin. You can only minimize it. So, kung napupuyat ka, pagod ka, but hindi ibig sabihin na the next day, pag hindi ako nagpuyat, lifted pa rin ang aking under eye at ganda niya under makeup. Kasi, ano talaga, may lifting effect talaga. Kasi, yung mga nakita ko kasi sa TikTok, ang lalaki talaga ng eye bags nila. So, kung merong mga dermatologists dyan, correct me in the comment section po, Doc, para ma-inform din ang ating mga viewers. Is this worth the try? If money is not an issue to you and you love skincare, go, purchase it. Try it for yourself. Witness the effect. Baka naman kasi sa inyo, okay. Baka naman kasi sa inyo mag-work, diba? Hey guys, it's been a while. Thank you so much mga bagong subscribers. Nadadagdagan pa rin tayo every single week. Kahit hindi consistent ang ating upload, I'm so grateful for your presence and also sa inyong pagsubaybay sa ating mga videos. Now, I've uploaded a video of my review and alternative of retinol products, especially with the retinol products from Papafeel. I have the serum and I also have the cream. So, dalawang type of retinol product from the same brand na try ko na. And if you're interested with my review and other retinol alternatives, I will link the video link down below in the description box. And for today's video, I purchased their 5D Peptide Anti-Aging Eye Repair Cream, which aims to smooth fine lines and fade dark circles. And it says that it has that 1-minute anti-wrinkle effect. So, if you are babad sa TikTok, this particular product is trending. This particular product ay nag-viral kasi meron siyang instant anti-wrinkle effect. Lalo na sa mga eye bags, under eyes, dark circles, meron siyang immediate effect. Now, I have tested the product for, I think, 1 week na mahigit. Yeah. Let's just say 1 week. Ginagamit ko siya every night. Twice ko lang siyang nagamit in the morning kasi mas nakakapag-skincare ako at night ng kompletong routine. Sa morning kasi, cleanser, toner, sunscreen. Sometimes, cleanser, diretso na sa cushion or tinted sunscreen. Now, that it's nighttime, I can apply it kasi hindi na ako pressured magmadali. Now, ang tanong, effective ba talaga siya? Totoo ba talaga yung nakikita natin sa TikTok na meron siyang anti-wrinkle effect in just 1 minute? Before I give you my final thoughts and answer that question, I am not a believer talaga of eye cream, under eye cream, kasi feeling ko, nagagastos lang siya. And hindi siya practical kasi meron naman tayong anti-aging cream or anti-aging serum na with retinol or bakuchiol or vitamin A or collagen. So, pwede na yun. Kung meron kang cream na anti-aging, pwede na yun for your under eye. But yun na nga, kasi nag-viral to, kasi trending to, kasi a lot of content creators rave about this product, napabili ako at ginamit ko. And sa unang gamit ko, ito yung na-experience ko. So, as you've seen in the previous clip, meron talagang difference after 1 minute. Hindi nga lang ganun ka-obvious sa camera, but sa actual, meron talagang difference. But I can say that, though it is instant effect, na medyo nalileft talaga yung under eye mo, yung eye bags mo medyo nakukulangan, but it is not long-lasting. Bakit? Kasi, if sa susunod na gabi nakulangan ka ng tulog or sa susunod na araw pagod ka, balalim ulit yung mata mo or matagal ka na namang natulog, lumabas na naman yung fine lines mo, it still comes back. What I'm trying to say is, nagkaka-wrinkle ka pa rin. So, with continuous use, pwede na maagapan yung fine lines, but it cannot prevent you from having fine lines. It can only minimize it. So, kung napupuyat ka, pagod ka, maraming stresses sa buhay mo at sa balat mo, magkaka-wrinkle at magkaka-wrinkle ka, and magkaka-eyebags at magkaka-eyebags ka. So, this one only helps you at least minimize it for a short period of time. Kagaya ngayon, 'di ba? Malalim ulit ang mata ko. Pag lalagyan ko siya nito, mawawala siya for tonight. But hindi ibig sabihin na the next day, pag hindi ako nagpuyat, lifted pa rin ang aking under eye at wala na akong eye bags. At wala na akong fine lines. Diba? So, what I'm trying to say is, do not expect na it will magically disappear all the lines that you have and dark circles under your eye. Pero, good enough na rin kasi it helps, diba? Lalo na kapag puyat na puyat ka, you have a presentation for the next day, kailangan medyo fresh naman yung mukha mo, hindi naman pagod tignan. Pwede na rin, guys. And also, ang ganda niya, under makeup. Kasi, ano talaga, may lifting effect talaga. Kasi, yung mga nakita ko kasi sa TikTok, ang lalaki talaga ng eye bags nila. Nasa, usually, 50s above, or nagsistart mga late 40s, yun talaga, yung may sag part. Yung sa akin kasi, hindi sag, malalim lang. Ayan o, lumalalim. Diba? Nagsasangkin yung eyes pag tumatanda ka. Kasi nagmo-move rin yung bones natin. Tapos natitrim yung face natin. Kaya ganun yung nangyayari sa face ko. So, kung merong mga dermatologists dyan, correct me in the comment section po, Doc, para ma-inform din ang ating mga viewers. Is this worth the try? If money is not an issue to you and you love skincare, go, purchase it. Try it for yourself. Witness the effect. Baka naman kasi sa inyo, okay. Baka naman kasi sa inyo mag-work, diba? Malay mo yung mga ibang content creator na nag-upload na okay talaga siya, 1 minute pack talaga, wala talaga. It worked for them. For me, yes, it worked. But, yun nga, hindi siya long-lasting. Aside from the lifting effect, mas nafe-feel ko yung smoothening effect niya. Tapos parang nakaka-close siya ng pores. Pag tinitingnan ko yung skin ko sa mirror, parang nagta-tighten yung pores. Guys, add ko lang, nag-repurchase pala ako ng Papafeel Retinol Serum. Apply tayo tonight. Ay! Another thing pala, may nagtanong in the previous video, ano yung una pala na dapat i-apply? Guys, after your toner, if you bought the full set, like you have the serum, you have the cream, and you have the eye cream, yung una nyong i-apply after nyo mag-toner is this serum, the lightest one in texture, then cream. After the cream, saka kayo mag-eye cream. Some do eye cream first, then this one, the cream, kasi ito yung pinaka-thick. I'm not saying na thick to, but sa tatlong to, ito yung pinaka-thick ang texture, ang consistency. Yan, that's the correct order usually. Pero, if you only have this one, and this eye cream, go for the serum, and then eye cream. I hope I did help you in deciding if you will purchase this eye cream or not. Link ko in the description box on where you can buy this. Papa Phil official flagship store, Shopee and Lazada. And if I upload this on TikTok, link in the yellow basket.